Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the window switch, rear window switch on Audi A4. Okay, right here. So if your switch is not working or you need to replace it, it's wore out, we'll show you how to do that. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. So first we'll need a prying tool, okay, and we'll need to remove that trim piece on the front. Okay, you need to pop it this way. Okay, like that. Now it's important, you need to pull it this way and then it needs to slide towards the front, but still there is a couple clips here. Okay, and you slide it towards the front. Okay, the last clip is the one that you need to slide right here, as you can see, and check out all the other clips underneath. Okay, now we'll need a Phillips screwdriver and we have 3 screws that we will need to remove on the door panel, under the trim piece, and there is one more that we'll show in a minute. Okay, first one is out. We have quite a few videos, probably about 100 videos on that model, guys, so please check out the playlist. We have on our second channel, World Mechanics, more Audi videos if you need them. Okay, now underneath the handle right here, there is one more. It's kind of like hidden one, and we need to get a little bit longer screwdriver that way we can reach it. Okay, so it's right there. You can see the angle. It's a little bit hard to get to. Okay, that's ready now. We need to get the prying tool, guys, okay? And we have the links for all the tools we use on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. After you pull it this way, you need to go up because it's laying on the window rail right here. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Okay, and this one, you need to, okay, pull it out, okay, like that. Okay, then we need to disconnect the wire, okay, from the door computer there. Okay, you can see you just press in there and you release it. And then we have one more wire that goes to the tweeter from the speaker. Okay, like that. You can see this one, you press both pieces. So the door clips are right here, one here. Okay, one more here that's missing, somebody didn't install it last time. We have one more there and one broken. Okay, so it's a good idea to always buy some spare ones before you remove the door panel. They're easy to replace, but they do break. So we got it out now. So guys, this is the window switch now right here. We can remove it, okay, this way. Okay, we need to pull the wire by pushing down and remove the wire. Or you can remove all those screws and this one here and you'll be able to pull the whole piece out. But you can do it that way too, okay? Maybe, let's see if we can. If not, we're going to actually remove it because there is 2 more clips on the other side and there is a risk of breaking it. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to show you the long way. That way we don't risk anything. So with a T20, Torx 20, we're going to remove all those screws. Okay, and one there. Okay, then we can pull that one out now. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we can actually go ahead and access it a little bit better. The 2 clips on the other side. Okay, it came loose on this side. Now it needs the 2 on this side. Okay, almost out. Still holding a little bit. Alright guys, and this is the window switch right here. That's how you guys remove it. When you're ready to install the new one, all you have to do, just push it from the back and put everything together in reverse order we took it apart. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.